Hey mobile gamers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm revealing a secret method to get unlimited amounts of credits for free using this amazing hack for WWE SuperCard. So if you're tired of grinding, this video is for you. This method works on all devices: iPad, Android, iPhone. No matter what mobile device you're using, you'll be able to do it. Plus, there's no jailbreak or computer needed. I've tested it myself, and it's working flawlessly. As you'll see, the resource gets delivered directly to my account without a hitch. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, we need to locate our in-game user ID. This will be essential for completing the next steps. Once you have your user ID, open up your preferred web browser and head over to this page. As you can see, this site offers a bunch of mobile app and game hacks, each packed with awesome features. But for now, we're going to focus on WWE SuperCard. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find WWE SuperCard, then just click on it to open the hack page. On this screen, select your platform and enter your username. Then click the Connect button and wait a few seconds to connect to the game server. Don't worry, this method is completely safe and untraceable, so your account is completely safe. Now, choose the amount of credits you want and click Generate. After you confirm, the site will start injecting the mod. This may take a little time depending on your internet connection and device performance. In most cases, you'll get a confirmation message once the modification is successfully applied to your account. But sometimes there's one last step. Depending on your device, you may need to verify your account. This ensures that only real users can access the hack. Don't worry, it's super simple and quick. A short video tutorial on the screen will guide you through it. Just follow the instructions and you'll complete it as quickly as possible. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll skip it here and come back once my verification is complete. Alright, my verification is complete. I had to do a quick task in a few apps, but it only took a few minutes. Totally worth it. Once you finish the steps, the process is done and your resources will be available in-game. Now, launch the game and enjoy your unlimited gameplay. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Let me know in the comments how this trick worked for you. Have fun, and I'll see you in the next video.